10 here with XSITE Capital. What is migration pattern telling us in the US? As investors, we monitor migration pattern, and today we'll be looking into the nation's major players in the moving industry when it comes to people moving in and out of different states across the country. These are the data keepers of America on the move. These companies include United Van Lines, U-Haul, and Allied Van Lines. These three companies share a yearly insight to how people are moving in and out of different states. These annual reports offer a snapshot of inbound versus outbound state migration trends via analysis of moving and transportation services provided to their customers. Florida is listed as a top 5 immigration state for all three companies. The other state also noted by these three companies is South Carolina. Now, according to United Van Lines, their study shows that as the pandemic continues to impact our day-to-day lives, we are seeing that lifestyle are changing for different family members. And these changes includes their ability to work from home, and some of them wanting to be closer to their family. And these are key factors that's making a lot of people across the country move. United Van Line, their top 5 states when it comes to inbound migration is number 1, Vermont, 74%, South Dakota, 69%, South Carolina, 63%, West Virginia, 63%, and Florida, 62%. The top goodbye states, meaning outbound migration, identified by United Van Line, revealed that New Jersey was number 1 when it comes to outbound across the nation. United Van Line's moving service in New Jersey were for those living, a lot of the movement for United Van Line were those living in New Jersey. New Jersey's two counterparts, the tri-state area, when it comes to New York and Connecticut, were also the top 5 with the biggest outbound migration percentage when it comes to people moving. And the others that kind of went up in that line were California and Illinois. While United Van Line migration data reflect moves made by people who hired a company to transport their belongings from one place to another industry player is U-Haul. U-Haul represents the move it yourself market. A January 2022 news release headline states that U-Haul Growth Index, Florida has top 10 of 25 US growth cities. That's huge, top 10 of 25 in the country. Now, what's U-Haul number 1 destination? The sun-soaked St. Cloud market, which is about 30 miles south of Orlando, ranked number 1. The largest net gain one-way U-Haul trucks are number 1, Texas, number 2, Florida, which is shown by the U-Haul Growth Index. Number 3 that they ranked was Tennessee. Number 4 was South Carolina, and the 5th one was Arizona. Which states were the biggest net losers? U-Haul indicated that California, Illinois saw the greatest net losses, followed by states like Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Alabama, and New York. Finally, Allied Van Lines is the 3rd moving transportation data provider, and what their data showed us was Florida continued to be a top destination for movers in this year, as people continue to sort for warm weather, the beaches, abundant rental properties, and a lot of space when it comes to living. The top 5 destinations in 2021 that was identified by United Van Lines is number 1, South Carolina, number 2, Tennessee, number 3, North Carolina, number 4, Florida, and the number 5 is Arizona. Now, one of the takeaway from these reports is that the top destinations for net inbound moves in 2021 are mid-priced growing Sunbelt metro areas, while the top origins for net outbound moves are places that are colder, pricier, or have these both characteristics. Allied Van Line top 5 outbound states they identify was number 1, Illinois, number 2, California, number 3, New Jersey, number 4, Michigan, and number 5, Pennsylvania. Again, these are some important information we track as investors to make important decisions or to buy properties in. I hope you've enjoyed the content. Please if you do like it, do not hesitate to share. And thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.